This video focuses on a vehicle travelling along Middleton Street, into Braunstone Lane, through to Narborough Road and eventually onto Enderby Road into Blaby. This particular route is often used following sat-nav during a test. And remember, as always, this is just for demonstration. Always react to what you see happening on the road in front of you. This current stretch of road has a pop-up bus lane for COVID-19. It probably will be there for at least 2020, maybe in 2021. As you approach the next junction, sat-nav asking you to turn left at the traffic lights. Delay your signal until you pass the first road, but still keep to the left-hand lane. As you turn left onto the dual carriageway, notice the speed limit changing to 50. If conditions are good and traffic is clear, you should be travelling up to the 50-mile-an-hour speed limit along this stretch of road using fifth gear. Again, always react to the conditions as you drive. If the weather is poor, if the traffic is heavy, you may not want to get to gear 5, you may not be able to use 50 miles an hour. As you come to the end of this section of the dual carriageway, sat-nav asking you to follow the road ahead, remember to keep to learner's left. As the lanes divide up ahead, hug the left-hand curb. Again, continuing to follow the road ahead at the next roundabout, keep to your learner's left. The lane divides into two, keep next to the curb. If SatNav is asking you to follow the road ahead, be careful of your lane discipline. The left-hand lane is a filter lane. You need to go to the one on the right, as you can see from the road markings. The speed limit remains at 50 miles an hour on the next stretch of road. However, compared to the previous dual carriageway, there are numerous hazards. Be aware of traffic lights potentially changing, cars merging from roads on the left, and pedestrians. All this means you probably won't be able to get up to the 50 miles an hour on the stretch of road, and Gear 5 isn't advisable. Drive to the conditions, drive to the traffic, and be aware of the hazards. As the road divides ahead, keep the right-hand lane to follow the road ahead, as the left-hand lane is a filter lane into the tip. Follow the road ahead, third exit at the next roundabout. Keep to your learner's left. Remember there will be 2 exits on the left hand side before you follow the road ahead. Be aware of a potential meeting traffic situation ahead. Parked cars to your left create a very narrow gap with oncoming traffic. If you meet any large vehicles, you will need to wait. As shown in this clip here, the driver waits before the parked vehicle, allowing space for the bus to proceed. With smaller vehicles, you may be able to pass parked cars. Remember to keep your clearance between you and the parked vehicles, as well as focusing on oncoming traffic.